Step 1. Install the brush head. Pull the pull ring pin. Align the brush head with the device slot and release the lock. Step 2. Insert the water pipe. Step 3. Connect the cable connector. The fourth step is to open the chassis first. Take out the remote. Install the battery. Load the lithium battery. Connect power, then lock. Same operation on the other side. Lock the chassis. Long press the power button. Power on. Long press the power button. Shut down. Push up brush head rotation centering. Does not work. Pull down the brush head to rotate. Push up forward, pull down back. Back left turn left. Right back right turn right. Driving to the edge of the solar panels. Machine stop. You can only return to the safe area in the opposite direction. Battery less than. The indicator light flashes slowly. It needs to be charged in time. When encountering a large gap, when the anti-drop function cannot pass, you can push the shield button to temporarily turn off the anti-drop function. Please use with caution. When the bristles are worn to the ground to a depth of less than 15 millimeters, the ideal cleaning effect can be achieved by adjusting the depth of the brush head.